Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode in the Nurseries of Bengaluru series. And we will be covering this nursery that is run inside the world famous Lalbagh Botanical Gardens. The Lalbagh Botanical Garden was commissioned in the year 1760 by Hyder Ali. The Cubbon Park and Lalbagh combined together have given the city its OG moniker, the Garden City of India. So now let's take a sneak peek into the nursery. As you enter the premises, you see an abundance of chrysanthemums that open out their arms to give you a floral welcome like no other. And just next to that, you have a wide range of cacti and succulents that will make even a novice gardener's heart skip a beat. Next, we have this small greenhouse sheltering some of the finest floral plants you could lay your flowery eyes on. This azalea here was surely the showstopper for me. There was a bonsai section for the more entrenched gardener who wants bigger things happening in smaller spaces. And as we move forward, we see a wide range of trees, shrubs, and ornamentals that can grow both indoors and outdoors. It was fascinating to see that they had a special place wholly dedicated for ferns, and more ferns. These ornamental sweet potato vines caught my fancy and I decided to take one home. Next to this, you have another set of succulents and cactuses. So I have heard that some people don't prefer buying prickly plants like cactuses for superstitious reasons. But let me tell you that things that prick teach you the most. And then we move on to some exotic engagements in the form of these climbing vines. With the sun gleaming on their modified tender leaves, the bougainvilleas surely stood out. And how? The December lady stood there subtly reminding us all of the looming chill in the air. And finally, my garden eyes were lured by the freshness of the houseplant section that housed some monsteras, phyllos, spathiphyllums, and more. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Nurseries of Bengaluru. And I really hope you enjoyed the short visit to this nursery. We will be back with more such nursery visits, small and big, to see how we can contribute towards this budding green economy that will see no recession or downturn until we have the plant flame burning in our hearts. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.